Let's now turn to Asia, where the protest against strict COVID-19 measures has spread to some of China's biggest cities. Police in Shanghai detained at least 2 people in the early hours of Monday at a site that has seen protests 2 nights in a row. Hundreds of people gathered in the city holding up blank sheets of paper as an expression of the censorship of protest. We have details in this report.
Hundreds of demonstrators and police have clashed in Shanghai as protests over China's severe COVID-19 restrictions continued into a third day and spread to several other cities. The latest demonstrations began after 10 people were killed in a fire in Urumqi, the capital of the far western region of Xinjiang, that many of the protesters blame on protracted COVID-19 lockdowns. The deaths have become a lightning rod for frustrations over Beijing's dogged commitment to zero COVID and its combination of strict lockdowns, mass testing, and tracking that continues to impede people's lives. Hundreds of people gathered on Sunday evening in the city holding up blank sheets of paper as an expression of the censorship of protest, as police kept a heavy presence on Walamuki Road, named after Urumqi, and where a candlelight vigil on Saturday evolved into a protest. Protesters also took to the streets of Wuhan and Chengdong on Sunday, while students on numerous university campuses around China gathered to demonstrate over the weekend. 2 groups of protesters totaling at least 1,000 people gathered along the Chinese capital's third ring road near the Liangman River, refusing to disperse. On Sunday, a large crowd gathered in the southwestern metropolis of Chengdu and also held up blank sheets of paper and chanted, "We don't want lifelong rulers, we don't want emperors." Other cities that have seen public dissent include Lanzhou in the northwest. Protesters said they were put under lockdown even though no one had tested positive.